Hello everyone, let's dive into the Blizzard Lighting Komply 5050 RGB-HP. This isn't just another LED strip. It's a vibrant, versatile lighting solution designed to add a splash of color and excitement to any environment. First impressions matter, and the Komply 5050 doesn't disappoint. The build quality feels solid, reassuring you that this isn't some flimsy, throwaway product. Weighing in at 8 pounds, it has a substantial feel, suggesting durable construction. The heart of this LED strip lies in its 60 light sources, each capable of producing a wide spectrum of RGB colors. This allows for a dazzling array of lighting effects, from subtle ambient hues to bold, dynamic displays. Whether you're looking to create a relaxing atmosphere or energize a party, the Komply 5050 has you covered. Operating at 12 volts, the Komply 5050 is energy efficient, which is a huge plus. You can enjoy vibrant lighting without worrying about excessive power consumption. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for both residential and commercial applications. The modern style designation is spot on. The Komply 5050's sleek design allows it to seamlessly integrate into any contemporary setting. It's unobtrusive, yet eye-catching, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space without being overly dominant. The inclusion of the Blizzard Lighting Komply 5050 RGB-HP as the included component is straightforward, but it's worth noting that you're getting exactly what you expect, the LED strip itself. Depending on your specific needs, you might need to purchase additional accessories like a power supply or controller separately. In terms of application, the Komply 5050 is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for accent lighting in homes, adding a dynamic touch to bars and clubs, or even creating eye-catching displays in retail environments. The possibilities are truly endless. The brightness and color accuracy are impressive. The RGB LEDs produce rich, saturated colors that are consistent across the entire strip. This ensures a uniform and visually appealing lighting effect, free from any distracting inconsistencies. While the Komply 5050 excels in many areas, it's important to consider the installation process. Depending on your experience with LED strips, you might find it helpful to consult a professional for installation, especially if you're planning a complex lighting setup. Overall, the Blizzard Lighting Komply 5050 RGB-HP is a top-notch LED strip that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Its robust build quality, vibrant colors, and energy-efficient operation make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their lighting game. If you're in the market for a high-quality RGB LED strip, the Komply 5050 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.